Hello, this is David from Off Trail Bushcraft. Wanted to shoot this video is actually a request from a buddy named Steve, and I'll put a link to his Instagram page in the description. But this is a sun compass that I made back in 2024. I actually have it dated here. And what I have is the months and the sunrise and sunset for all the months back in 2024. And to be honest, the times aren't all that different now, but it's just a useful guide for me. Now, on this side of the board, I have just some instructions. On this side, I have a centimeter ruler, some more instructions here, and at the top, I have a sighting section, which we will get into in a moment. But this is the most important section. It is the shadow board, the sun compass itself, and I have the sunrise and sunset markers here. It is clearly north, south, east, west. How do you use it? Here's how. If you know what time it is, and you simply put a stick through the board, and you use your mobile device, your watch, whatever it may be. I know currently it's almost 1:30. So on the board here, I have markers. So I put the shadow in at approximately 1:30. So we have 1, 2, so we got 1:30 here. That gives me a true north direction. Now, it won't be perfect to the degree, but as you can see with the compass here, I have a silver base plate compass here. We have it pointing magnetic north. This is pointing approximately true north, and they're very close. So it's an excellent way to get a little bit better than general direction. And also, if you keep the shadow in any of these markers and then travel, say for example, you put the marker east and you keep it there, you can actually use this for traveling a straight line as long as you have the sun. Bear in mind, this shadow will move about 15 degrees every hour. So you want to keep that in mind if you are actually using this for navigating. But it is very reliable once you know that. It moves about 15 degrees every hour. Another thing you can do with this is by simply taking a piece of string, again with this sight. If you point at an object, keep it close to the eye, you point at an object, you can then get, once you get your angle, you can calculate the height of that object. The easiest being 45 degrees. If it's 45 degrees, whatever the distance you are from that object, plus your own height, tells you how tall that object is. So you can do a lot with this. You can do a bit of mathematics with this, and it is excellent for telling time and telling direction. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.